Hi, everybody. Welcome to the last week, Ethical Leadership and Organizational Behavior. Hopefully you learned a lot and developed some new ideas for leading others. So your final comprehensive development paper is your assignment for this week. And it starts out with a personal mission statement and leadership philosophy. So you might already have those, or you might want to take this opportunity to create them. Number 3 asks about your definition of success at this point in your life. So these first 3 questions are helping you think through, if you don't have already, where you are, where you want to go, and how will you know when you've made it and you're successful. And so all of that provides the basis for your future plan, which is number 4. So create a plan for your future leadership development based on this initial analysis. Identify 2 strengths out of all the different topics from the textbook, the assignments, the journals. What are 2 areas where you feel you have a strength, and how can you use those in more or different ways? So those are the actual action steps. And then identify 2 areas where you want to develop, you want to improve, you want to get better, you want to get more comfortable. So that would be goal 3 and 4. And for those goals, try to identify some specific steps that you can take to help move you toward achieving those goals. So there's no right or wrong answers, but just gives you something to take with you so you continue to be a lifelong learner. So let me know if you have any questions, or any questions about assignments that you've submitted. Make sure that I have graded everything that you've submitted, and I'll look forward to reading about your final thoughts. Have a great week.